She is speaking well. Okay. Yeah.
Private school also private job. Okay. Why choose your education? Why your children choose your private school?
Do you have?
Sir, but we are not talking about private school. We are talking about private job. No, you are wrong. Private school is also private job. Okay.
Do you want pension?
Yes, sir.
ਮੈਂ ਗਿਰਿਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਬੰਦਾ ਜਮਾ ਨੀਚ ਬੱਲੀਏ
Do you want pension? Sit there.
So I also keep my job, and I also become
What is?
but sir, if I have ability, no, if I have ability, so it's very shallow, and if I have ability, so I can do so.
So, welcome back to our YouTube channel, all my viewers and especially my offline students. All right, because you will have to watch the videos, right? And this group discussion, in short form, you say GD, is going to be very fierce. Are you ready? Yes, sir. Great. The topic, and especially for Bihar, okay, it is very important topic to be discussed, and the topic is government job versus private job. You know, in Bihar, everybody wants to become government employees, right? But private sectors have its own enjoyment, has its own plus positivity and many more things, right? So private sector is not less than any government sector, and private sector, guys, understand, government sector is also not less than any private employees, right? So it all depends upon you. Okay, what do you want to speak and how do you want to show your interest? And viewers, this video is going to be very aggressive, so watch complete video, don't skip the video, because you will know how to do discussions, you will know how to be aggressive in discussion, and you will know how to keep your points, okay, in front of your oppositions, right? Here opposition means enemy, right? Yes. See, the sleeps high, okay, and aggression, and interest of speaking English. Finally, this video is recorded for the purpose of improving our English. If any points is offended, okay, it offends you, don't worry, right? It is just a point, and it is going to be the best debate again and again. I'm telling you, if you don't believe, watch it completely, okay? So now, being in Bihar, we have to talk, okay, first to the students who like to speak about government sector, government job. So first candidate, he deserves the big round of applause because he is starting the debate. So Mr. Rupesh, please stand up, okay? How can you say that
Government job is better than the private job?
Yes, please tell me.
Government job is better than the private job in terms of benefits. In government job are lots of benefits like taxes, securities, flexibilities, stabilities, lots of benefits.
This man is very selfish, okay? This man wants to work for security, a lot of facilities. Nice. Do you have the answer? This, beautiful points must be appreciated. Please appreciate him with a huge. You should understand, okay? Now, from this side, okay, who is going to counter? Mr. Red Cap is going to counter. Please tell me, how is private sector better than the government sector? You want to counter that point, or you want to give your point?
Yeah.
All right, please tell me.
Private sector is better than government sector because private sector provide very good service, but comparison than government sector, because government sectors employee are very lazy, they are corrupted, they are not well disciplined.
Corrupted. Well, lazy, corrupted, less disciplined, okay? I'm not telling, brother, please understand, it's not my problem, okay? He is telling you.
I answer this question. The government employment not lazy, because that is just example soldier is a very energetic or disciplined guy as an example.
Yes, fabulous. How can you say that, government employees lazy? Just take an example of our army man, powerful army of the world, okay? Yeah, Dilkut, please sit down. He wants to speak. Okay. Yeah.
Army man is an exception, but other employees of public sector are very lazy and corrupt. In every sector.
Government employees, please don't write good comments for this man. His name is Mr. Nazim. Okay. Understand? He is telling. Sorry, yaar, I am not telling actually, right? Please, who is that person who want to answer or who want to keep a new point? Who is there? Anyone? There is no one. Oh, right. Yeah, please stand up. Stand up.
Government job gives us a luxury lifestyle, but private job it is not available.
Luxury lifestyle. When you're a government job, you have lifestyle, great lifestyle. He says this beautiful line. Okay. So, can you please reply? Who wants to reply? Please, Mr.
He said कि government job is flexible, मतलब कि enjoy your life. You see ना कि private job is also enjoy your life, and you see कि CEO in is also private job is also great life. Yes.
Right. CEO of any company or and managing director of any company, see this. Yeah, Mr. Maskman, please stand up. Okay. Yeah, please.
According to me, private sector they employed they are always frustrated. They work hard. Like even Sunday he go to office because of his boss. His boss give his order. You have to come, so you have to go. But in government sector there is no this type of rule. Okay, you can do your work what you want, right?
Okay, that's nice. In government sector, you have no pressure. He means to say, yeah. You want to reply? He is waiting. Okay, yeah, please, no problem. You reply.
He said that private sector is very stressful, but you can say especially nowadays teachers of Bihar, they are very stressed and they are talking about an officer of education department, and they looks like very stressed.
Right. He's telling that nowadays government teachers are very stressed. Yeah, their life has become hell. Yeah, it was not expected. You want to reply? Yeah, please.
My brother, I think you are wrong, because they used to laziness. That's why they speak like this, and that's why they do like this. Okay, but if
Accepting it.
no sir, no sir.
Accepting it. नीतीश का कहना है, सर आप समझ जाइए, नीतीश प्राइवेट सेक्टर में है और ये कह रहे हैं कि नॉन गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर में है और ये कह रहे हैं कि पहले वो सुस्त हुआ करते थे, इसीलिए अब जो थोड़ा काम करना पड़ रहा है, तो दे आर नॉट माई स्टेटमेंट. नो, इट इज हिज स्टेटमेंट. स्पीकर्स आर स्पीकिंग ऑन देयर रिस्क.
No, sir. But I think my point is that I mean that the teacher, they have to understand their responsibility, right, sir? So they have to do they have to do his work on time and on I mean his passion, according to his passion, right? So, but I think in private sector there is a lot of problem. You cannot leave long time to spend your time with your family.
Okay, you cannot give your time to the family. Okay, he's telling this thing. Okay, and government employees give a lot of time with their family. It means they don't do the job. इसका मतलब यही हुआ कि बड़ा फैमिली के साथ टाइम बिताता है, स्कूल से भैया बाबा आई एम गोइंग. You mean to say that? See this? Mr. Nitish Roy wants to speak this. No, sir. Okay, anyone else from this side? Yeah, Mr. Black Shirt, please stand up. Your name is Faizuddin. चले फैज आप कीजिए. Yeah, with your statement.
As he has said that the government employee are free to do anything, but I think that the government employee are not free to do anything because of the pressure done by the bureaucratic processes and regulation, which are the burden on the government employees, due to which they can't do anything freely, and they even on their skill based. Even if they are skilled, then also they are not free to do anything freely.
Do you have answer? A lot of pressure, bureaucratic pressure, and a lot of pressure. Government employees wait. Government employees will speak. Yeah.
Sir, where is the lots of pressure in government job? We can easily live in government job any day. If we sickness, then we can say our sir that sir I can live. That I can easily live.
I can easily live. It is good habit. It is a good habit. ये अच्छी आदत है, आसानी से चले जाना क्या?
Yeah, it is. They get sadly and they want to live every time. It is dishonesty.
This is honest. where I am saying that every time I want to leave, I leave only that I am sickness. Yes.
बीमार हो तो आप जा सकते हो, प्राइवेट मतलब गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉइज अगर हो तो प्राइवेट वाला बंदूक लगा काम करवाते हैं यार, दे आल्सो कैन लीव. या प्लीज स्टैंड अप मिस्टर अजमल.
They also can live easily because of also they are providing 4 days leave when you in the month you have any problem, then you can leave 4 days easily. No one पूछेगा, no one asks to you.
ask you. Yes, it's nice. So, do you not need to clap it nicely? I hope you didn't point speaking. Yeah. What is this? Should I tell you? Okay, you are clapping in center. It is set. This it.
I'm in private.
Oh, private sector. That's nice. Okay, you like to speak something? Yeah, from this side. Yeah, Mr. Rupesh Khurana. Yeah.
So see that we can live easily in private sector, but we can say that when we live from government job, there you get salary from your living days, but in private sector they cut the salary of your living days.
Record this guy. They're very happy. Chahiye, right? Yeah. Who wants to? Yeah.
Approximately people 11.45 million do private job in India.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Please. Yeah.
But private employment looking like dead body. You know why? Because they always doing hard work. They don't.
Dead body. Oh, dead body. Your dead body? Yes. One dead body is speaking. Yeah.
But government employees are very lazy. They are not working. They are always rest. They are always search rest in office. They are don't teaching.
Don't say that. What is this?
My next point, that in government sector there are so much political interference. If in India, especially Bihar, any guy can go to any thana hospital and
Right. A lot of interference. Okay.
and said they say that chacha vidayak hai hamare.
Wow. That is what he's telling. That there are a lot of interference. Okay, in the private, in the government sector. Don't attack me.
I want to add my new points, funny points, that you all know that government's jobs is better than private job cause of respect. In childhood, when I cried, my mother said, "Don't cry. I call the police." That is government job. She don't call the private officer. They also call.
Great. Only in this team, only red topi wala is there. Where are you? This team is looking very down. Okay, why don't you support him? Yeah, wait. No. He has to apply.
Actually, this is not respect. This is fear of government employees.
Yeah,
Because of they
this
are
is hypocrisy. Add it.
this is hypocrisy.
Hypocrisy. लोग डरते हैं गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉयड से. He wants to say that. Yeah.
You always say government employee, police and SP officer and DM officer and army. These are exception. They are doing their work with hard. They are not doing his job. They are serving us. They are facility. They are serving us facility. You can't say only.
Very very smart. Listen to me. जो भी अच्छे एम्प्लॉइज गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉइज दे से दे आर एक्सेप्शन.
No sir, 3 only.
What is this? Gradually you are adding. Yeah.
I want to say something. There is an income tax. There is a GST officer. They are also corrupted every time. You see them. They are.
Hey, go to gym. Go to gym, sir. Go to gym. He is telling this thing. Okay, all right. Wait for some times. Okay, viewers, this thing is going on just to improve English. So don't take it otherwise. Appreciate these guys, okay? Because they are trying to speak in English, right? Yeah. So somebody wants to replace, okay, Mr. Path, okay?
After retirement,
Okay. Yeah.
after retirement, government job, a pension has facilities available. And,
First, wait. Pension facilities is available, okay, in government sector, okay? Do you have? No.
but private sector is not available is pension.
Right. Batao.
But also facility in PFSI in private sector. Sir.
Do you not want pension?
No sir.
Do you want pension?
Yes, sir. But
Do you want pension?
yes, sir.
He wants pension. Sit there. Yeah.
Private jobs are also providing lots of facilities such as incentives, PFs, and transport charges.
Right, mobile phone, you
Yes.
know, भी मिलता है पैसा, right? Yeah.
In office also they provide many facilities.
Right, right.
And I want to add one more point that in government jobs, people's employees are not able to. I mean, the government jobs are funded by the taxpayers. They are so that they are not, they are constrained by, they are bounded by the taxpayers, so they could not do anything.
They cannot do anything extra.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The private jobs are run by the owners only. They try to adapt their
New thing.
They try to adapt in the competitive market, adapt
right.
changing market to
Right.
compete other. So the employee are also in competitive.
They are sharp.
Yeah.
They learn. They are informed. You mean to say this? Hey, put your hands together for him. ताली बजाओ इसके लिए. Hey, these guys are clapping. They are supporting you. He wants to say that, okay, in private sector you can show your creativity, but in government sector you cannot, because you are funded by the taxpayer, and taxpayer regulate you. Government regulate you. You cannot do your new thing. It's not my point. You can speak your point. Yeah.
And there are lots of engineer and scientists also. Their government, they're funded by the government. How you can say that the creative ideas in only private sector?
They want to, you know, have big round of applause because they're saying that, you know, scientists, okay, a lot of scientists, they are doing new work. Yeah. Engineers, teachers
also.
Right? They do creative.
I think his father is also private
Hey,
teacher.
don't do that.
Government teacher, sir. Government teacher.
No, it's not allowed. It's not allowed. What is this? What is speaking? दोस्त ऐसा होता है क्या?
No, I will.
Don't do that. Okay, don't be you know, individual. Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Don't do that individually. It's not good, but it will go on YouTube, by the way, right? You want to speak something?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
You have no point, na?
Okay, he has no point. Okay, yeah. Only 3 students are speaking in this side.
He says government sector is very less opportunity, but every person want to take a government job. Why? Please answer me.
Actually, in Bihar especially, people want to get government jobs. Okay, so you cannot say that there is no facilities and there is no opportunities. A lot of opportunities, chances are there. If you want to grab it, you will grab it, right? Yeah. So yeah, please, Mr. Red Shirt is standing. Sorry for that. Extremely sorry, sir. Yeah.
Because of that, private job ask for competition, and if anyone has a skill, so that they can grow well in that sector.
And private employment, they don't want to do hard work. That's why they don't choose government sector.
Because employ in private sector, they have lots of skill, and they show their creativity.
They won't crack the lots of exam and government.
देखो यार, लड़ाई में तुम लड़कियों से जीत नहीं सकते.
But government people crack the lots of examination and
गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉय को देख रहे हो, खड़े नहीं होंगे ये. See, viewers, decided who is lazy and who is not lazy. He is standing, they are sitting. Okay. Yeah.
if you are okay, if you are given a private job and a government job, what would you like?
You will like private sector?
I will like private sector.
Also said, your father said also, if you take a private job but your parents suggest you don't want to take, you don't. No, that time you have to mind your parents' thought, because your parents given your money.
भैया मतलब प्लीज से चुके हार मान लेने में बेहतर है भाई, बिकॉज दे आर गर्ल्स, दे विल विन. या girls will attack girls. Okay.
You favor government sector, okay? Why choose your private school? And your
आप बताओ.
Sir. We are talking about private job, not we are talking about government.
Don't do that. She is speaking well. Okay.
Private school also private job, okay? Why choose your education? Why your children? Why choose your private school?
Do you have?
Sir, but we are not talking about private school. We are talking about private job. No, you are wrong. Private school is also private job, okay?
Yeah.
Government school is also government job.
काफी है भैया, 4 पे ये मैं नहीं कह रहा, मैं नहीं कह रहा भैया, आप बताइए।
The private job means temporary job because it's depend on requirements of company. If we give a chance and choose a private job, you will get ready to choose a government job.
right, टेम्पोररी जॉब है भैया, प्राइवेट जॉब इज टेम्पोररी है, आंसर है इसमें, ब्यूटीफुल।
It's wrong. Private job you call private job is temporary. You don't know. Private job is lots of opportunities and lots of growth and lots of learning point. You know.
चल मी
Also learning point.
यार पीछे का बंदा गाली दे रहा है यार, प्लीज let me talk to Mr. Nadeem, okay, and Nadeem will reply very adequate answer to you. Please wait for the right answer. Yeah, Mr. Nadeem.
Sir, if you are capable to do any job, then private doesn't become, मतलब भगाएगा नहीं तब तक जब तक capable
भगाएगा नहीं, right? And one more thing यार,
only 60 years age limit, and they take pension, but in private job your age is limited. It depend on your skill, your capability, and your age power.
Sir, I want to, I am bound to add my point here actually. In private sector, you have a great liberty. You can change your job anytime. I don't like this up. Kick, change, new job, right? If you have a skill, you can change and find out. Wait. New job, okay? Yeah, Mr. Nivitesh, please stand up and speak. Yeah, you're looking very smart today. Yeah.
You said if I have a skill, so I kick my job and I can get other jobs. So if I have knowledge, so I also kick my job and I also become. But sir, if I have ability, no. If I have ability, so
It's very shallow, and you can see
if I have ability, so I can do so.
But God is not limited.
What?
He is not limited.
very shallow, and it takes time.
Standing again and again, बार-बार मैं बैठा दे रहा हूँ, बाहर जाकर के ये गलत कमेंट करेगा, sir, your video is not good.
Sir, there is a problem in government sector. They are always pay late salary, and they are become a big beggar like beggar. They are asking money for
कुछ महीने सैलरी नहीं आ रहा,
and how can you say that they are giving you a luxury life and many more things, and then they are becoming corrupted.
right?
You have to think about this.
Think about it, please. Everyone, think about it. सोचने में मजबूर हो जाओगे आप. Where are the things, Mr. You were not speaking single line? Yeah.
So it's just happened with some sector, not every sector. Okay, if you want to be, if you become IS officer, so in
Sir, he is also adding one exception. Yes.
yeah. Then first he
Let me speak of Mr. Sir, इनका नाम दिलखुश है. आप नीचे लिखिएगा, दिलखुश is the best speaker in this group.
Thanks. You know that AIS officer.
नाव को नो पता है क्यों किया कि 10 रुपया चार्ज किया.
You know that an IS officer catch 400 crore rupees. How he get
100 crore rupees यार, ये एक बहुत. अभी कुछ दिन पहले आईएएस ऑफिसर पकड़ाया रहा भैया.
They has not salary. They has not enough salary to earn a lot of money. Yeah.
Right. This is right point, by the way. Yes. Okay. So Mr. Ritesh Raman, you depend on him? Okay. All right. Yeah, Mr. Nitish.
actually my friends, you know Vijay Mallya sir.
Vijay Mallya, yeah. Do you know? He is private employee.
Actually, he is a businessman, but
He looted the country.
that is take loan and
Fled away, right?
yeah, but that is responsibility of government.
Sir, this point has to be explained actually. Sir, Vijay Mallya fled away because he was very honest. He says that it is the responsibility of government. Sir, you decide and write in the comment box who is responsible here. Please, I need your comments on this beautiful point. Okay. Now, Mr. Ajmal, yeah.
Without support of government employee, we can't do this like of fraud. Yes, they are also partner of this.
Oh, you cannot speak this. You don't have any. Okay, yeah.
If they said as with the government sector, it means that private sector is corrupted, also corrupted. Also corrupted.
Yeah.
Yes, he said that private sector is corrupted. Private sector is corrupted.
He is telling corruption is business. Why is corruption is business in this field? Okay.
They become government employee, do corruption. They are thinking this is business. They try to earn money. They don't think what is right, what is wrong. They always try to
Points actually Vijay Mallya, Mehul Choksi and Nirav Modi and many more जिनका नाम हम जानते भी नहीं है, and I don't want to say the name actually. These guys are very honest actually. ये कह रहे हैं, हम नहीं कह रहे भैया. I'm not telling this thing. With a private employee, they're snatching chances of other people. What is this? Yeah.
You know, your government telecom company like BSNL and NSL is die, but you know, private company Reliance, Jio, Itel is fastest grow. You know?
है कोई आंसर? ओ भैया आंसर है जियो. भैया जियो.
I know that also LIC Sahara. There is a private sector is also died. Business is not never is becoming greater and greater. One day it will become down also. In private and government sector is never get down. He always in profited. Yes, right.
Do you see this? These guys are telling that private sector has no security. They can die ever, but government sector always survive. He doesn't see BSNL, दिखता ही नहीं है इन्हें.
But business is now also in our is not
dying. मतलब it is in ICU. After some it will die. Yeah.
No, I will never agree with your points because in private sector they know how to adapt with the changing market.
Why? They are ready to change.
They are always ready to adapt, so they can perform well.
They are very rigid.
Yeah.
They want to change. No.
And I want to add one thing that in private sector, if any employee are not doing well, they can be replaced easily. But in government sectors, due to the restrictions of service civil protection and regulation, it becomes very hard or difficult to discipline or remove the employee who are underperforming.
Fire anyone.
Yeah. So that is the drawback of the government
sector. Okay, you cannot take it. That's nice point. This point was very strong. Okay, let me explain this point. This point is actually very interesting and very right point actually. Right, in private sector, okay, if you don't act, okay, you will be fired. But in government sector, you feel like it is your birthright. Okay,
they take for granted.
Okay, they take it for granted. Sir, once again I am telling you, over and again I am telling you, this is not my point. This is his point, and they have to counter this point. Who wants to counter this point? Only this man is there. No, this man is there only. You cannot speak. Yeah.
He said that
he is your great friend, but today he is not looking like.
No, sir. So actually, sir, if a son he becomes he is not good. So means what? You beat your son. It means what, sir? So a student he gives a lot of time to take education, to take job. How can you replace in one mistake? How can you replace him, sir?
Seriously, very good answer. Emotional कर देगा लड़का. Okay, viewers don't cry. He is telling sir, if your son makes one mistake, आपका बच्चा एक गलती कर दे, what will you do? What will you do? You will forgive him, right? And you will give him second chance, right? And he will improve. Great point. I love it. Okay, I love it. Good point. देख रहे हो राक्षस को प्यार का वैल्यू समझो. Yeah.
Sir, I want to add my next point. Unfortunately, if you are accident, I don't want you are accident. I pray to you face accident. Then where are you go? in private hospital or government hospital? Why? Do you know the sir? Do you know the condition of government hospitals? In my village government, in a government hospital, there are buffaloes and cows and crops.
He's telling if you face an accident, okay, be honest and reply. Yeah.
But how a poor people afford a big private hospital? You have to pay lots of money for a simple disease.
Right. So he's telling that if India is no, don't. Okay, do you know Ayushman? Hey, Ayushman card. Yeah, Ayushman card.
For poor people, 5 lakh of his treatment is free.
Yes. Ayushman card is government card.
Government. Yes, second. Yes, right. Yes, yeah. You're done. Yeah.
But you can use it on only private hospital, not in private hospital.
Yes. Only used for private hospital, not a government hospital. Yes, sir.
Private hospital also corrupted because a lot of money. Yeah.
They charge a lot of money.
Yes, sir.
They charge a lot of money.
Yeah. No, yes, sir.
And
Yeah, please. No, candidate. Please.
Every student is a dream engineer, doctor, everything. What your now time is available to DLED form. Everything dream is doctor, engineer. What your form DLED form.
Students are trying to be.
Yeah, because government job is better than private job. Right.
He's doing that's good. Speak some point here, Ekak line here. Yeah.
This time everybody is student running on a government job. Why?
Because they are not ready to.
Because they are mad.
Because they're mad. पकड़ में जा बाहर में जाकर के इसको अच्छे से यूनिट. What is this? You are mad.
No.
He is telling.
No. He is mad to say.
He is mad to say. Are you mad?
Do you? One second. Keep quiet, please. Keep quiet.
Government employees, please maintain the discipline. Yeah.
Do you know Ratan Tata? He is doing charity of 60% of his company, and I have never seen any government people who are doing charity.
Do you do charity?
Yes, please. No.
Ratan Tata is, doing charity, giving almost all the money to the, welfare of the country, okay? And nobody has objection in this. Ratan sir, salute you. Right? Ratan sir, salute you. Yeah.
Do you know Mukesh Ambani? He is businessman, but he not give मतलब वो अपने मतलब वो बिजनेस करता है, बट रतन टाटा जो है वो मतलब वो अपना प्रॉपर्टी मतलब दान करते हैं, लेकिन मुकेश अंबानी नहीं करते हैं. वो मतलब थोड़ा बहुत करते हैं.
वो भी तो बिजनेसमैन है.
They are also paying tax, lots of tax. You can't expect the tax of they are
Tax, कितना tax pay कर? Seriously यार. Mani ji, you also pay a lot of tax to the company. This is all welfare of the country. देखो लड़की भी हाथ उठा रही है. I'm coming to you, please.
Sir, we said that about Ratan Tata, Mukesh Ambani. He is a businessman. He is not government employee, government sector, belong to government sector. He is a businessman. He is a businessman. He create the employees, private sector. He is not a business. He is just not a private government sector, private employees. Not. He is a CEO.
Yeah, Mr.
So in private sector they earn money. They earn money to himself, not public. But to government sector they do work for public, not himself. So
Clap, everyone, please clap. So now it is going very, very fierce here. As I committed, okay, it is very dangerous maybe, viewers watch it as per at your risk. Okay, कई बार मुक्का मोबाइल के बाहर भी आ जाए, right? These guys are very serious here. All right, Mr. You please tell me.
Will you do jobs if you
हाँ भैया इधर भी है, right?
will you do jobs if you will not get salary? You are saying that you are working for people. You are working for people. Do you work without money?
Will you work without money? Anyone?
You are only doing work for money.
Will you work without money?
Private sector.
बिना पैसा काम करोगे? Yes, she will work without money. Will you work without money?
No.
Will you work without money?
No, but nowadays
without
money
money?
is no anyone.
No one can work without money. Its question is yeah.
So, a army man, he ready for to die country means what? Only 40,000. You government give 40,000, and I want to die for country. What is this?
Madam, switch on the fan. The environment is heating actually. Garam ho raha environment, okay?
This guy always said
This is emotional blackmail, okay? No, wait. He is very sharp here. He is making emotional, okay, atyachar. He's telling, our respected, okay, honored army man, defense people work for the money? No, they work for the nation, and they are government employees. Okay, so salute these heroes of our country. Okay, so yeah, yes sir, please.
If they are working for nation, why private school are better than government school? Why in government school they are not teaching very well? Why in private hospital is very well than government hospital? Why in government hospital doctors are not available? They are not working very well. Why?
All right. Why? No. Wait for your turn here, please.
Because I have to pay a lot of money to take education to private sector. That's why, sir. Because it's responsibility of private sector. You take lot of money. You take 1,000, 1,500 per month. So it's your responsibility, not your helpless. Not you. You are helping the poor. You are helping the public. Okay. It's your responsibility.
Sir, if
Okay. Yeah. No. Wait.
sir, if they cannot fulfill the मतलब जरूरत they cannot fulfill the जरूरत of need of civilians. Why you open hospital? Why you open schools? Why?
Okay, all right. No, it's not a one-to-one. Okay, it's not a one-to-one discussion. Okay, where are other students? Okay, no one is there. Now, should I wind up then? Okay, all right. Next students. Okay, yeah, please, Mr. Nadeem, stand up.
Sir, if you want to crack any examinations or any interviews, then can you crack it by any government coachings?
Yeah.
Can you correct it? Okay, now you please. Yeah.
Nowadays it's very tough to get government jobs because nowadays there are paper leaked and that's all. It takes 5-6 years to crack ASSC and always paper leak.
भैया इस मैटर में हम कुछ ना बोलेंगे भाई because this matter is very critical actually and this is completely unfair for the students. Okay, that after doing hard work and after paying hard earned money, okay, for filling up the forms and all, it on the last moment paper is leaked. So it is very sad. Okay, we must have this thing resolved. Okay, this is very, very sad. This man is going to speak about government's job, right? And he's looking like Netaji. You're wearing white shirt, okay? And right now, I mean, Lok Sabha election is going on. So be the nice citizen of your country, and everyone has to vote, okay, for the nation and for our democracy. Please vote for. All right.
Now present time, every people's first time get government job because the private job 80% employment unhappy our salary because it's a hard work but you're not getting right salary.
So he's telling that in the private sector, people are not happy. But in government sector, people are very happy because they get salaries on time and good salary and handsome salary they get. It is his statement. Now from this side, okay, yeah.
Because sir, region of economy
because of reason of economy, villagers are also going to just like that Delhi, Haryana in job.
Guys, this is trying very hard, but this is not relevant point by the way. Can I have last? Now, I need to bind up here because I need last round, okay, from every one of you. And show some aggression, brothers. Okay, show some aggression, please. Yeah, yeah.
Nowadays government not provide more than 2% jobs, then other people क्या करे वो मतलब yeah government.
This is a good question by the way.
And
Yeah, wait, park it.
Sir, they always favor the government and government job. But why government also privatization of many institution, railways, and every institution nowadays private.
Oh, so strong point. If government job is better, government sector is better, so why our government is converting some sectors into private sector? Why are they believing in privatization? Why? Because in private sector you have beautiful facilities. If you wanted to see the differences, go to, I cannot name, you understand, huh? In private banks you go, you will find beautiful facilities, but if you go to government bank, okay, there are something to be improved. Okay, so now this side, please.
ब्यूटीफुल से याद आया कि if I earning very less money 10,000 per month, then I am ugly, then I get a very beautiful wife, and you not get, you are earning 50,000. You are not.
Yeah. Hey, viewers, he wants government job. You know why? Wait, no, 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 this, no, 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 this, wait.
Sir, it's mindset of all people that if we are in government job, then we get beautiful wife.
Sir, actually, sir, actually, sir, he was not able to fulfill their needs because 10,000.
Yeah, you understand? Stand up, please. People want to see you. Wait. I'm giving you a chance, sir. No, please wait. Viewers, all the viewers in the world, look at this face. Right? He wants government job. Sir, your friend wants government job for beautiful wife. Good aim.
Sir, is this right? Is this right that every parents wants their children that have got gets a beautiful wife, and every private every your father your private your
No, you cannot go into this one.
you are doing a private job, and your fathers don't, your matlab you are, if you are girl, you always
Why
want to
is she
that.
a girl? Yeah?
No, if you are
Wait. I understand. No, wait. Ajmal, you want to add something else?
Can you feed to her proper food? Can you maintain his her beauty? You can't get to your children.
Are beautiful? Vanish. Beautiful vanish.
If you have no money, then what do you do with your beautiful wife?
We are doing government job because of money. That's why I need.
So I think it's the right time to stop on this beautiful note. Stop it. So on this beautiful note, viewers decided with done. Please stop it. Viewers, okay, it's very beautiful. I mean, point to end this beautiful video on this beautiful wife note, right? And those who okay, anyways, I don't want to I'm not able to stop my laughing. Actually, I'm not able to stop it, right? At this point was very beautiful, and it's a fact, okay, in Bihar, by the way, and a lot of videos are viral on this points actually, right? So you decided what type of job you want and what type of wife you want. Okay, so decide it, and please like, share, and don't subscribe, but don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay.